Spell check is an integral part of your data cleanup. To access spell check, there's 3 ways to do it. The first way is to use a hotkey F7. First of all, you want to select any cell on your workbook, say this one here, and that's where it starts from, row 8 or cell 8, and you press F7 and you go through the process of accepting the changes by clicking on change and change. I'm going to go and accept all the change, and once you reach the bottom of your data set, it'll tell you, do you want to continue checking from the beginning, because we started from row 10. So you click yes and you'll go from the beginning, and I'm going to hit change. You can also do spell check on areas, like for example, if you want to only do a spell check from row 3 to row 11 and press F7, it will only do spell check on the highlighted area. Can I accept all the changes? There you go. So that's one way to access the spell check tool in an Excel. The second way to access a spell check tool would be to use the toolbar here. If you click this down arrow here, click on spelling, an ABC icon will appear here with a check mark. Click on it and it'll give you the same set of tool or pop-up window. The final way to access spell check tool would be to use your quick access toolbar. Click on review and click on spelling icon here.